Naglabas ng pahayag ang Malacanang matapos kanselihin ni US President Barack Obama ang bilateral meeting nila ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Ito ay para linawin daw na hindi personal na pag-atake kay Obama ang mga naging pahayag ng Pangulo. Ayon kay Presidential Peace Advisor Jesus Dureza, importante na mabigyang linaw ito lalo't bihira lamang na nagkakaroon ng kanselasyon ng bilateral talks. Tingin naman ni Presidential Legal Advisor Salvador Panelo, hindi maapektuhan na nangyari ang relasyon ng Pilipinas at Amerika.
I don't think so.
Bakit?
Ba't magiging major setback? Wala namang sinira ang bansa natin in connection with any agreements between the two countries.
Sino nag-advise na kailangan niyang maglabas ng statement at bakit necessary yung statement?
No, it was a team, it has to clarify the specific issue about the cancellation of the bilateral. And it's an important matter because it has been calendared, di ba? And it's not usual that bilaterals are cancelled. Tingnan mo, you take a look at the statement that he issued. You take it from there. It's very clear. There's an exact word of some regrets, di ba?